Introducing Bitdefender Ultimate Small Business Security, the simple yet powerful cybersecurity solution that protects businesses from cyber threats. The setup takes just 5 steps and requires no IT or cybersecurity expertise. Step 1. Activate the solution by following the instructions in the confirmation email. Then set up your business account by adding your business's name and your role in the organization. This comprehensive solution includes multi-platform device protection, from computers to mobile phones and servers, easy management, protection for business assets, and reputation. Step 2. Add the email addresses of the employees you want to invite to your business security plan so they can set up their accounts according to the instructions in your email invitation. Step 3. All members can then take advantage of the following cybersecurity functionalities: device protection, including laptops, smartphones, tablets; email security for safe communication; VPN for secure browsing and data transfer; digital identity protection to protect employees' business-critical data; password management to secure sensitive data; employee scam protection powered by AI, which helps them spot scams, avoid threats, and hone their cybersecurity skills. Step 4. Add critical business assets that will then be constantly monitored, keeping you informed about potential data exposure. Get actionable guidance on reducing risks and secure your business reputation effectively. Proactively check your business's cybersecurity status with an intuitive and user-friendly interface offering. Single View, a consolidated view of your business's cybersecurity status. Quick Insights, the cybersecurity stance of your business in seconds. Stay informed. Updates about potential threats. Focus on running your business and let Bitdefender Ultimate Small Business Security protect it.